So we received a query regarding how do we deliver one single product from two separate warehouses, if I am correct, right? This was asked by someone in WhatsApp. The WhatsApp name is the Lion. Okay, so fine, we have already embedded into this Odoo. How this works is like this: we create a new sales order, create a like customer, we make a product, say Cantu. This Cantu is going out like say 50 units on 100 units price, alright? And against this another product, say this is like say 45 quantity, this is like say 200 per unit is going away. Okay, this is a sales order, let us confirm. So the salespeople does not know from where this will go, or they might know, but for the system's perspective it's an inventory thing. Okay, it's not from the sales perspective, so bear this with mind and let's continue. So this delivery will be created as a requirement from sales team to the inventory department, telling them okay, go forth and deliver this. So what we think is this Cantu is with one warehouse and this like Irma of Enchanting Brow Bound is with another warehouse. Okay, so what we do is the inventory guy actually looks at this, right? So let's go to the inventory module, how this looks at. Whoever gets into the inventory, he sees one delivery is like waiting delivery, right? Fine. No, inventory view, supplement exchange delivery, delivery. Alright, so delivery order 6 to deliver. So this is our new sales order, okay, that we just created. So say from warehouse 1, he was instructed that okay, you should like you can only send this Cantu, right? Because you only have that, you do not have the rest of the items. Okay, so what he does is he puts on 50 here, check availability. Okay, fine. He puts on 50 here and he puts on 0 here because he does not have this Irma of Brow Bound to him. Okay, so he only checks, he is the warehouse stock manager or from the main warehouse. Okay, and he clicks on split, remember, or say he only has 40 items of this Cantu in his hand. Okay, he puts on 40, he tells it split, he splits by quantities, and then what happens is he only delivers this 40 out of that 50 Cantu and another item. Okay, he validates it, fine. Then what we do is we again go away in this like original warehouse out, right? So delivery orders, yeah. So this is like done. Okay, so we go to the original delivery instruction as out. When we go there, let's say another inventory person from another warehouse logs in, he will not have this by default, he will only have this by default. Say we have another warehouse. Okay, this is online store delivery. Okay, so say this is the second warehouse that we are having, and what we do is even he does not have 10 items, this 10 Cantu. Okay, but what he does have is say this 45 for the calculation's sake. What he does is he also clicks on split and by quantities, yeah, and he validates the item from his own warehouse. Hereby we are using two different warehouses to like address a single sales order, right? And whenever we go back to the sales, what salespeople will see is he will try to ascertain that okay, is this like correct, what or all items delivered or not. Whenever the delivery is done, he can see that 40 items out of this 50 has already been delivered, right? and 45 of this like RMAF has already been delivered, right? So now he calls to both of the he can also see which warehouse delivered on which item, right? So these are three because 10 items are still waiting. This is not like addressed by any warehouse yet, right? So and main warehouse has completed the 40 items delivery for can 2, and online warehouse has delivered these 45 units of RMAF. Okay, fine. So now the sales can proceed either with this like 40 items delivered, so they can invoice only for 40, or they can instruct, okay, the main warehouse you need to send out like 10 more to this client, right? So what they do, okay, I don't have this, but the main warehouse might have this. Okay, so the main warehouse is having this. We say 10, we validate this is the final delivery for the sales order, so we don't need to split anymore, and this order gets delivered totally. Then we can create invoice, and rest of the workload is same. Confirm me if this like makes sense to you. Okay, this is for stock picking, stock split, as I understood. Thank you.